If you've been a band director for any number of years, you know that there are a ton of responsibilities that we have to make our programs run efficiently. And having a strong music curriculum in place to guide our daily instruction within our classes will help our students grow and help them achieve a high level of musicianship. Our rehearsal time with our bands is extremely valuable and every second counts. We put in a ton of practice time so that when it comes time to a performance, we ensure that we put our absolute best into that performance. That of course means that we're spending a considerable amount of rehearsal time on concert music, but we need to have a solid foundation of fundamental skills that we are teaching our students as well. In my opinion, our fundamentals should hold more weight during our rehearsals than concert music, especially if we're teaching elementary and middle school bands. We obviously want to put on great concerts to show how amazing our students are, but we are first and foremost teaching them how to become better musicians every day they are in our classrooms. We can accomplish both of these goals if we have a strong curriculum of fundamentals in place that feeds directly into the concert music that we give our students. And as band directors, we have to make decisions about what our fundamentals curriculum looks like. A lot of band directors use a method book to help guide their instruction throughout the year. Some of the more popular ones are Standards of Excellence or Traditions of Excellence, Accent on Achievement, Sound Innovations, and Essential Elements. If you are going to work out of a method book, you have to find the one that works best for you with the ensembles that you have. In my school district, I use Sound Innovations with all of my bands. Let me know in the comments which one you use and what you like about it. Setting monthly, weekly, or even daily goals for your bands can help with the pacing of your rehearsals to ensure that you move through the method book efficiently while still achieving student success. If you are not going to work out of a method book, you have to decide where your fundamentals are going to come from in regards to the music that you give your students. Fundamentals include technical skills on the instrument, music literacy skills, breathing skills, and ensemble skills. When it comes to the actual exercises that our students work through in rehearsals, they should cover a combination of the following skills: breathing, long tones, scales, articulations, intervals, timing, chorales, and sight reading. When our students have a strong understanding of all of these elements, they can apply them more confidently to the music that is in front of them. And whether they are gaining these skills from a method book or from supplemental resources, fundamentals should be the foundation of our rehearsals. If this video is bringing any value to you, please let me know in the comments and be sure to hit that like button as well. Let's keep going. Now, when it comes to deciding what your concert music is going to be, it's super important to choose music strategically and choose it ahead of time. When working performance music into your rehearsals, you need to know when your performances are and then backtrack in your calendar to decide how early you need to start working through that music. Going back to the master calendar, you should have all of your performances set from the beginning of the year. Be sure to check out this video right here where I talk through how to put your master calendar together. From there, you can decide how long you think you will need to work on that concert music in order for it to be performance ready. This could be weeks or even months, just depending on the level of difficulty of the music. But if your students are equipped with proper fundamentals, they will be prepared for what is presented to them in the performance music. When we have our students perform at concerts and events, the goal should be to showcase the quality of their musicianship in a way that creates a positive experience for them and for the audience. With that being said, the music that we have our students play should also be high quality music that is achievable based on the ability of the ensemble. No matter what, performance music should be chosen intentionally and appropriately to highlight the level of your students' ability. Be careful not to choose music that is too advanced for your ensembles. Performances should be an exciting experience for your students, and if they are playing music that is at a certain level that they themselves are not currently at yet, it could make the concert preparation less enjoyable for your students and for you as the director. On the flip side of that, be careful not to choose music that is too easy for your ensembles as well. Being a musician is a constant journey of growth and mastery of your craft. So if your students are playing through their music a little too well, it might be a good idea to give them music that is a little more of a challenge for their next concert. As I said before, I believe the music that you choose for your concert should be based around the fundamentals that you were teaching throughout the year. Having strong fundamentals established in your music curriculum allows your students to execute those skills more successfully within their performance music. Because at the end of the day, student success is what we should be striving for. So choosing concert music that aligns well with your fundamentals and gives your students an opportunity to grow as musicians is a great way to provide positive performance experiences for your ensembles. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.